the simple or primitive cubic lattice. A simple cubic lattice consists of 8 atoms at the 8 corners of a cube. In the open structure shown here, the distances between the atoms are greatly exaggerated. In reality, the atoms are packed much more closely together, as shown in the space-filling model here. The space-filling model shows that the atoms touch along the edges of the cell. By considering the portion of atoms inside the cell boundary, we can generate a unit cell of a simple cubic lattice. From this, it is evident that each atom at the corners contributes 1/8 of its original volume to each unit cell. There are 8 atoms at the 8 corners. Thus, the number of atoms in each unit cell is equal to 8 corner atoms into 1/8 of an atom per unit cell, which is equal to 1.